Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create custom automations in Microsoft Power Automate, helping you streamline your tasks and boost productivity. If you're looking to automate repetitive processes, this guide is for you. 1. Sign in to Microsoft Power Automate. The first step is to sign in to Power Automate with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Power Automate dashboard where you can begin creating your automations. 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. Power Automate offers a variety of pre-built templates to automate common tasks. You can browse through them, or if you have a unique automation in mind, click Create and choose Instant Flow or Scheduled Flow to start from scratch. 3. Define your trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger. This is the event that kicks off your flow. For example, you can choose triggers like when an email arrives in Outlook or when a new item is added to SharePoint. Select the trigger that fits your needs and connect your account to allow Power Automate to access the necessary data. 4. Add actions to your flow. After defining your trigger, you can add actions that will occur automatically when the trigger is activated. For example, if you want an email to be sent after a new item is added to a SharePoint list, select the action Send an email sushto and fill in the details like recipient, subject, and body. You can also add conditions to make your automation more complex. 5. Test your flow. Once you've added all the actions, it's time to test your flow. Power Automate lets you run a test to see if everything is working as expected. If the flow doesn't work correctly, check your steps and make adjustments as needed. Task 6. Save and enable your flow. When you're satisfied with the automation, click Save, and then turn on your flow. This will ensure that the automation runs automatically whenever the trigger event happens. You can always come back to modify or turn off your flows from the dashboard. Creating custom automations in Microsoft Power Automate is an excellent way to save time and reduce manual work. Are you using Power Automate for any of your tasks? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. See you in the next one.